Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Microsoft Clarity Tracking on Shopify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Microsoft Clarity Tracking on your Shopify store, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, navigate to the online store section located in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Themes to access your current theme settings. In the Themes section, look for the Actions button next to your current theme. Click on the Actions button and select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Theme Code Editor. In the Code Editor, locate the Layout directory on the left side. Under the Layout directory, find the theme.liquid file and click on it. In the Code view, search for any script tags related to Microsoft Clarity. These script tags typically contain Clarity in their source URL. Once you find the Microsoft Clarity script, carefully press the Delete key on your keyboard or right-click and select Delete to remove the script. After you've deleted the script, make sure to click the Save button located in the upper right corner. Next, return to the Shopify admin panel dashboard. Scroll down to the Apps section in the left sidebar. Click on Apps to view your installed applications. If you have previously installed the Microsoft Clarity app, find it in the list of installed apps. Click on the app to open its settings. Next, look for an option to uninstall or remove the app from your store. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted to complete the process. Once everything is done, it's a good idea to check your store's theme code again to ensure the tracking script has been fully removed. Finally, visit your store front end to verify that everything is functioning properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.